Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm back on doing unboxing videos for you guys. So yeah, let's rise up. So yeah, I just did a Bay hunt, successful Beyblade hunt. And yeah, let's get into the Rise Beyblades. So yeah, here's Valtryek. Sword valtryek V5. Boom. Here's the parts. It is spin right, attack ring, D69 and TH105 for the driver. The spin time is 4 and 2 is the rise. So yeah. Let's get into this unboxing video, and I have almost all. I'm just missing one from the wave. I have all of wave 1 besides one. That's Fafnir. So yeah, let's get into this unboxing. Oh god! Of course, I have to point out the art, manga art. Yeah, that's my dog. If you heard that. Let's go, and yep. I literally you'll probably see this today as I'm recording this. Oh god, yeah. Here's the new launcher. Here's the new launcher. I actually kind of reminds me of the old one, the old blue one. They did the better launcher right here. This is the only time I'm really going to be showing this launcher off. But yeah. Get that out of here. Yep. Here's valtryek. Let's push these out. There we go. Here's the code. Probably going to scan that in later on. Let's zoom that in. Boom. There's the sword. That actually really looks like the actual sword. So yeah. And the driver. Yeah, there's the driver. So yeah, let me do some and put this all together. Boom. There we go. Let's get this test launch on the way. I'm going to do a few launches for this. Let me move my drink. There we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, one more time. I love this stadium so far. Haven't really got to test it out yet. Really. 3, 2, 1. So I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.